Meaning of highland.
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 Highland. Highland refers to a region of elevated terrain or mountains, typically with a cooler and wetter climate than surrounding lowlands. Highland areas are often characterized by rugged landscapes, deep valleys, and fast-flowing rivers. The vegetation in highland regions varies depending on the altitude and climate, but can include coniferous forests, alpine meadows, and tundra. Highland regions are important for agriculture, forestry, mining, and tourism. They also provide habitats for unique flora and fauna that have adapted to the challenging environmental conditions. Overall, highland regions are ecologically significant and culturally rich areas of the world.